Okay, we're confused. Hey y'all. Whoa. Hey. It is almost 7. We got here around 40 minutes ago. This is our hotel room. Do a speed lap. Oh, we made it. But this is it. Budget traveling. Today's our first night, so we're just gonna go to Dotonbori, which is only a few stations away. We need to buy stuff because as soon as we got to the hotel, my shoe broke, so I put a hair tie around it. They're onitsukas. I thought they'd be fitting for the occasion. And yeah, I don't have makeup remover, a hairbrush, and my brother doesn't have deodorant, so a black t-shirt.
From Ralph Lauren.
Oh, wait. That's good. And look, it's true. Do not forget your history nor your destiny.
Yeah, I kind of want to get it.
Spider-Man. What is happening?
He's holding a chicken. And it spins!
We're gonna go quite high. Oh my gosh. Everything is a soda. Whoa. No. The day is over.
Guys, check this out.
Good. We had some matcha. It was really good.
Forgot to shake it.
And he got an energy drink.
Tastes like medicine. Oh, wow. Amazing.
Mango ice and chocolate. Let's see. Wow. Oh my god, why is it kind of beautiful?
K-poppin'.
ロサンジスイッチメイドバイコッ
Guy what? Shem what?
Don't get so close to my mouth.
Whoa, what?
10 out of 10.
Really?
10 out of 10. Taste test right now. Oh my, oh, that's a good bite. Got like all the bits. How do you feel? Yeah, there's red bean. You don't like red bean?
Fine, that's good.
I feel like it doesn't taste that strong. It all blends together really well.
Have you seen the one where like
Compress.
they smash it in front of you?
Oh yeah, I think we can get that in Nara.
Because we're going to Nara.
Oh, really?
Probably right at 7.
7?
In comparison to all the desserts. This is our first local dessert.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Haircut. Whoa.
Taste test right now. so sweet. This is 5.5. 6, 5.5. 5.5.
It's really sweet.
I hella love improv. We are on our way to Team Lab. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Goodbye.
Wait. Oh, it's me.
Goodbye.
Oh my god.
Someone was chasing me.
Say hi.
Hey.
It's a collab vlog.
Yeah.
I hope I get one of these. Let's see. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I got the weird one. The one I didn't want, but it's okay. Because I don't know what it is, actually. I don't know what it is. I'll show you later.
Okay.
We're going there.
Oh my god.
And onsens.
Yeah, onsens, but they're getting a little bit better about that because they know it's such a tourist destination.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Is it actually raining? I see people with umbrellas.
I don't think so. Yeah.
Oh, are you concerned about?
There's little camera bags too, did you see?
I know. Oh wait, these ones. So cute.
They're actually super cute.
It's quite cheap. No. I'm sorry, but we are spending too much.
Oh my
There
god.
they are.
They're friends. I bet one of them is named.
Literally every local person I've heard talk about the deer is like, they're so annoying.
Oh, really? I might start crying. I might cry. So pretty. Oh my gosh, they're all so. Oh, this one has something wrong with its antlers.
Hey, bud.
I think it's normal.
What do you think about
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Ooh.
the situation?
Hi, I don't have food for you yet, but we're gonna get you some food.
Can I pet you, my angel?
What do you think about